A splash of colors, rhythm of drum beats and joy derive merge at Surajkund in Faridabad, Haryana during the first fortnight of each February. The curtains go up on the acclaimed annual Surajkund International Crafts Mela from 1st February onwards. A celebration of Indian folk traditions and cultural heritage. Captivating sight and sounds of the Mela leave everyone enchanted. Mellifluous beats of folk music reverberating in the air set the right mood for visitors to meander through the pathways and appreciate the great talent. That reflects in the intricately created handicrafts and handlooms during the Mela. The Mela was conceived primarily to promote the pool of skilled artisans who used indigenous technology but were suffering due to the cheaper machine-made imitations. This is a unique effort by Surajkund Mela Authority and Haryana Tourism to provide a platform for craftspersons and weavers to directly market their wares by eliminating the middlemen. To preserve the languishing arts and crafts of India, Surajkund Crafts Mela was hosted for the first time in 1987 by the Surajkund Mela Authority in collaboration with Union Ministries of Tourism, Textiles, Culture and External Affairs. The Mela is executed, organized and hosted by Haryana Tourism Corporation and now occupies a place of pride and prominence on the international tourist calendar.
We look at the Surajkund Mela as a win-win situation for everyone. The craftspersons who, in fact, many of them earn enough during these 15 days which they don't earn perhaps in the whole year. And secondly, for the public, whether it is from Delhi or NCR or Haryana, they get to experience a unique Mela like this, and they're able to buy a variety of things at, I think, very reasonable rates. And that also helps us to promote Haryana as a tourism destination. The Mela is in fact organized by Haryana Tourism essentially. So through this Mela we also highlight the activities and achievements and facilities of Haryana Tourism.
The Mela ground is spread over 40 acres that houses about 735 work huts hosting craftspersons and weavers. This year, a separate section has been earmarked for languishing art and crafts. The multi-cuisine food courts provide ethnic cuisines from all over the world. Entice visitors with gastronomic pleasures. The Mela, now in its 28th year, is being inaugurated by Honorable Chief Minister of Haryana in presence of several eminent personalities.
सूरजकुंड अंतर्राष्ट्रीय मेला भारत के कुछ अति उत्कृष्ट हथकरघा व हस्तशिल्प के नमूनों को प्रदर्शित करता है। इस मेले का आयोजन सूरजकुंड मेला प्राधिकरण और हरियाणा पर्यटन द्वारा कारीगरों को एक ऐसा मंच उपलब्ध कराने का अनूठा प्रयास है जिससे मेले में भाग लेने वाले कारीगरों को अपने शिल्प उत्पादों को बिना बिचौलिए के सीधे खरीदार को बेचने का एक अवसर प्रदान होता है।
Haryana government and the Surajkund Mela Authority have set up this wonderful initiative called Surajkund Mela. And Surajkund Mela is an initiative that provides that for the normal average craftsman to display and commercially thrive in an environment that is friendly and very ambience is excellent. So we in Sri Lanka are so proud and thank the government of Haryana, Surajkund Authority, the Secretary Tourism Ministry of the India for giving us the opportunity to be the partner nation of this excellent event.
Scintillating folk performances at the two chaupas. And mesmerizing evening recitals at Natyashala. Rev up the entertainment quotient, drawing thousands of visitors every day. There are designated places for amusement, adventure sports, and joyrides to make it a must-visit event for the youngsters. From 2013, the Mela was upgraded to an international event with a record participation of 20 foreign countries. This year, the Mela has our neighbouring island country Sri Lanka joining hands as the partner nation, besides Eurasian countries like Tajikistan, Kyrgyzstan, Kazakhstan, and Uzbekistan are showcasing their culture and traditions through enthralling dance performances. Artisans from Thailand, Uganda and Belarus are exhibiting their skills in making artificial flowers, artifacts and woodcraft, while cultural performances from West African country Ivory Coast are a treat to watch. SAARC nations have a prominent presence with Sri Lanka, Nepal, Pakistan, Bhutan and Afghanistan unveiling the best of their craft. Craftspersons from all Indian states and other parts of the world vie to participate in the Mela. However, every year a theme state is chosen, and after a gap of 12 years, Goa is the theme state this time. The rich and diverse culture of Goa is highlighted beautifully all over the Mela. Goa always has a reason to celebrate. The Goan folk dances, colourful floats and live processions are adding zing to the Mela. The Shigmo Parade and Carnival Float Parade are drawing every onlooker, simply asking for more. Goan folk artists, musicians and dancers are bringing the Mela alive.
The festival is very good. There is security and there are colorful things to buy. And there was dancing and there's food and I'm enjoying myself.
It's a very nice place, a lot of handicraft.
But it's fun to be here, very ethnic, very colorful and everything is very nice.
With colourful and striking display of their heritage and carnival flavours. The beauty of the Goan couture was showcased on the ramp during the fashion show on 8th February that added a dash of colour to the Mela festivities. Surajkund Mela's ambience this year is conceptualized around spring or basant, and a profusion of flowers, bees, colors, masks and rainbows accentuate its environs. A lively and vibrant Mela premises leaves visitors spellbound, and they can't resist clicking photographs of the eye-catching ambience. Surajkund International Crafts Mela is a lifetime experience where one explores an exquisite mix of thatched huts, folk songs, flamboyant colors, intricate crafts and aroma of different cuisines. This is a sincere endeavor to pay homage to the traditional arts and crafts of rural India. From Madhubani paintings of Bihar to Dhokra art of Chhattisgarh to Phulkari of Punjab to shell artifacts of Goa to ikat saris of Andhra Pradesh and Orissa. Every corner of the Mela has something splendid to offer. To enliven the visitor's mood, the Natyashala, another open-air theatre, is a popular venue for hosting performances in the evenings all throughout the Mela fortnight. An array of cultural performances from Hasya Kavi Sammelan.
व्यापारी सबसे इंटेलिजेंट होता है। एक ने कुछ साल पहले फरीदाबाद में टीन के छप्पर में चाय की दुकान खोली और ऊपर बोर्ड लगाया होटल ओबराय और नीचे लिख दिया हमारी नई दिल्ली में कोई भी ब्रांच नहीं है।
An evening of humorous poetry to Sufi qawwalis. To absorbing plays, to fusion music keep the audience engaged. This year, mouth-watering cuisines from Goa and other states are on sale at the food court. Mouth-watering cuisines from different parts of Sri Lanka are very popular in the food court. Sri Lanka Day celebrations on 4th February are a major highlight of the Mela. Performances by the dance troupes from Sri Lanka and the visit of Sri Lankan ministers and High Commissioner brought the country's age-old shared heritage with India to the fore. A number of competitions for students like face painting, drawing and mehndi application are being held during the Mela. In a new initiative, 50% discount on Mela tickets is being offered to college students during weekdays and for differently abled, senior citizens and serving defense personnel. Online booking with highly secure internet banking and battery-operated rickshaws on request for senior citizens and differently abled persons. CCTV cameras and beefed-up security are some key steps taken to ensure a smooth and enjoyable experience for the visitors. And more public conveniences including washrooms and e-toilets have been made available in the Mela premises. The footfall at the 28th Surajkund International Crafts Mela surpassed all previous records, with over 1 million visitors, including a record number of foreigners visiting during the Mela fortnight. Every year, the Surajkund Mela is growing in grandeur and colour, with increased participation from craftsperson, artists and visitors. From a small beginning to becoming a truly international event, the Surajkund International Crafts Mela signifies the unflinching commitment and grand vision of the Surajkund Mela Authority and Haryana Tourism. So come, experience the magic of India at Surajkund.